Alright, that storm right there kind of pushed off to the south. Alright? And then I just heard some serious thunder. And I came out here and looked towards the north. And oh man, I showed you guys earlier that over the tree line behind this house, another storm was building up. So there's like two of them. There's one to the south, and then one to the north. But it's real funny about these storms, man, because these storms, they develop, and then, they either move from the west to the east. You know what I mean? If it don't build right over there and come straight this way, then, you miss it. I mean, the wind's blowing from my back. You can see. But over here, low. That could possibly be moving this way. Very seldom do you ever see the storms really coming from the north to the south. They either come up from the south or they come from the west to the east. So it just depends on how big this one here explodes. Like yesterday, it spread out all across that way over there. You can see it off in the distance over top of the trees. But it just kind of like fell apart. It didn't do much of anything. That one right there just gave us that little bit of rain I showed you guys about a half an hour ago. So I'm just sitting to see, just sitting and waiting to see what happens with this one. I know all the blackbirds are going crazy. All out in this field. My boy's home. Yeah, that does look like a bad one. I like them thunderstorms, man, that have like an explosion of thunder. I damn sure don't want to walk in that shit. I cut all this stuff back here a couple weeks ago. Pulled a whole bunch of dead trees or trees that were growing up inside this tree. Yeah. I guess I'll see a whole bunch of this when I get to Oklahoma. I'm pretty sure you get thunderstorms like this every day down there. All right, well, I'll come back and videotape when the rain comes. Peace.